Hello everyone, I welcome you all in a virtual classes program of ZKids International School at Home for class 4th, subject computer, and I am your computer teacher JM Khan. Today's topic is more about Windows 10. We are going to continue our chapter 3 with features of Windows 10, right? So before starting, uh, I hope you understood our previous video in which we discussed about Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. Okay, so, if you understood, then we can proceed to our next topic, that is feature of Windows. You know very well what is operating system. Okay, now I hope you all understood about operating system and all. Okay, so before I start, we need some space, so I need to switch off this camera. Okay, now concentrate on my voice and the screen. Okay, so feature of Windows. First feature of Windows is attractive operating system. Second thing is graphical user interface, that means GUI. Okay, and third one is multitasking. Okay, these three feature today we are going to discuss. These are three more important features, okay, that we are going to discuss today. Okay, so no need to write these things. Why? Because these all things are written already in your notebook, sorry, your textbook, page number 24, chapter number 3, more about Windows 10. And topic subtopic is features of Windows, right? So let us continue about attractive. What is mean by attractive operating system? Okay, is it more stylish or what? No, it is attractive as compared to other operating system. Why? Because it is it has more colorful pictures, that means wallpaper and a screensaver and different themes. So that's why it is more attractive than other. They have only single color background. But in Windows, designer, okay, and programmer made it very colorful. Okay, you can see in previous when we will discuss for more few more things about attractive operating system. Then just pay attention. See, this is about Windows and how colorful it is in blue. Okay, you can see Windows 8 how it was. Okay, Windows 8 that not that much colorful, but after that see Windows XP, Windows 7, and Windows 8 and Windows 10. See how colorful it is and how many pictures you can set. How many there are so many pictures you can set as a your background, desktop background. Okay, so next and most important thing which makes Windows most popular, okay, in India, just in India, what is the most important thing? That is graphical user interface, right? Graphical user interface, that means GUI. Graphical interface, sorry, graphical user interface. What it means? It means this allow to perform multiple operations very easily. Why? Because this operating system has icon, tiles, and menus. Okay, uh, and which gives us facility to choose. Okay, there are no need to type commands to find a simple thing. If you need to find out calculator, so you will just click on that icon of calculator and you will access it. But in different operating system, if you want to access any other application or software, so you need to use command, right? That means you need to type command for the specific application, software, or service. But here you can use your cursor pointer. Okay, by using with the help of your mouse you can select different services. Okay, different icons, different application, that means software, right? If you want to access computer, so you can directly access computer this piece your my computer. Okay, right? So this makes Windows operating system very interactive with and a user friendly, right? It will be easy to understand multiple things very easily, right? It will be very easy to understand these things, okay, for a new user like and a beginner, right? So that's why it is most popular and very user friendly operating system. Third is multitasking. Third important thing is multitasking. What is mean by multitasking? Windows help us to do multitasking. What it means actually, that means we can perform more than one operation. That means multiple operations we can perform at a same time, right? Like what, if you are listening to a music, so at the same time you can type a letter to your boss or to your class teacher or to your uh, to your principal, right? If you want to listen, and if you want to listen music, and if you want to play game at the same time, so you can do it. Okay, so this is why Windows is most popular, okay, in India actually. In rest of the countries, the choice is different. Many countries use only Macintosh, that means Mac OS, right? And in many countries they use Linux, right? So let us discuss some more features of Windows. See, here you can see this is a Windows logo. Remember this thing, this is a logo of Windows. You know very well what is the logo of our school. Okay, see, let me tell you one more. This is the logo of our school, right? So this is the identity. So the logo of Windows is this, right? Four tiles making a window. So this is a logo of window, and here is the preview of 98, Windows 98. Okay, you can see it clearly. You can choose very simply my computer, network, recycle bin, right? Different things you can see, but no graphical interface, right? That means graphics is not present over here. So they come up with Windows XP and made it more attractive. You can see very easily accessible features and more advanced feature in Windows XP, and graphics are ultimate, okay, with different wallpapers and screensaver and backgrounds, right? Then they again come up with Windows 7, right? And then again come with graphical user interface with more interactive view. Okay, so it was very easy to handle um, very bigger things like a remote control desktop connect to a projector. It was very easy in Windows 10 to connect, right? And it was very easy to find out compatible devices like projector and multiple things with this Windows 7, right? Then they come up with Windows 8. You know very well, before Windows 7 they launch Windows Vista, right? So now it was completely digitally era when Windows 8 came. Okay, so it was very attractive and completely different setup for a user, and very important and very easy to use. Okay, just type your query in search box. You will find your search box over here in Windows 10 and similarly in Windows 8. So just type your application you want to use and it will appear in front of you. That's it. They made it very easy to use and user friendly. That's why, Sorry, this pop-up came. Okay, so that's why they made it so powerful and easy to useful and very attractive too. These are some features, few features of a Windows 10 or Windows operating systems, right? Different operating system. Hope you understood about it. Okay, so in next video we will continue with our exercise, that means chapter first and chapter 2 question and answer. Then we will proceed with our this chapter. Okay, so thank you so much. Stay safe. See you in next video. Thank you.